Welcome back, children. Today we will study personality development through value education for standard 6th. We'll go for the second lesson, community living. What is community? Meaning of community is a larger family where group of people of different caste, creed come under one right, privileges and the same laws. Let's go for the lesson community living. Man lives in a society. The society gives him an identity. It supports him physically and mentally. He grows, matures, and develops his talents in the society. The parents, grandparents, and all members of the family influence the shape, the future of the child. He is brought up with specific interest for the welfare of the family. It expands into the neighborhood as the child grows. He attends a school, goes to a college, gets training to take up a job to support the family. A community is a larger family where group of people with diverse ideology enjoy the same rights, privileges, interest and the knowledge, the same laws. When you visit a foreign country, you are a stranger in that country. As you do not belong to that country, you do not have a feeling of community there. If you find an Indian in that country, you will like to have conversation with him. Soon you will come to know other Indians living in that country. Now you feel that you are one among other Indians. You find a community based on nationality. There are different types of communities in our society. There are communities based on regions and languages such as Keralites, Punjabis, Assamese, Gujaratis. Then there are communities based on different religions like Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Christians. There are also business communities who are engaged to different types of trades. The communities serve for the betterment and welfare of their members. Some of the benefits of the communities are they represent their demands to the higher authorities. If a community faces discrimination, it asks the government to intervene. Second, they establish educational institutions. Third, they build recreational facilities for their members. Fourth, they collect funds for the welfare of the weaker sections of society. Fifth, they settle disputes among themselves using the services of the elders of the community. Sometimes community become self-centered and promote selfish interest. They become imposing, haughty and intolerant to other communities. This often leads to fights, disputes and even bloodshed. This intolerant situation is called communalism. Communalism. Communalism originates when persons and communities do not accept others. Hitler, the dictator of Germany, was a follower of fascism. He wanted to blot out Jews from Germany under the pretext that they were allies of impure blood. To achieve his unjust and inhuman purpose, he made use of his deceptive mind. He set fire to the Parliament House and propagated the lie that the Jews did it. The result was that lakhs and lakhs of Jews were massacred within a few days. Today, some of the bad elements of the society are spreading hatred and disturbing peace. Some of them are even creating havoc by means of bomb blast, causing loss of lives as well as national wealth. What should we do then? From where shall we begin? The beginning starts from the school, a sacred place, a temple of God where His children are coming as a community to learn and love one another, to lead a life of peace and harmony. So let us start treating one another as brothers and sisters, irrespective of any caste or creed, being rich or poor, big or small. Let us all together declare, I am born good, I can do good, and I will do good everywhere at all times.